and welcome again. In this session, we will see some more important functions of data validation. In our previous session, we have seen the validations of name while we creating a list where a particular user can enter some data or a particular user cannot enter some data in the name list, and we can make a drop down menus like this. Whether it's product or a name, we always have a list of product and we can select this one, and it will not allow you to enter any data other than the list or source which is required. But when it comes to name, we have a limited source of list. Same case with product also, we have some limited source of list. But when it comes to numbers, okay, it is difficult. So in this session, we will see how we can use the validations of number, validation of date, and validations of time. Okay, because all these things like number, date, and time can be anything. And there is no fixed list is there. It can go beyond the control. Numbers can be millions also. So we cannot make a millions of source for that. So for creating a number, example, starting with a number source. Now example for the same thing, we have a quantity. Okay, I want to enter the quantity here. And so how much will be the quantity? Example, let's say I will allow the user or the whoever is using it to enter a value from 1 to 50 only. Why we need from 1 to 50? You can see, for example, let's say if you want to buy something from Amazon, okay, I'm not promoting Amazon, but I'm just saying some seller portal, like web portals are there, e-commerce portal. So whenever you are buying from Amazon or any other websites, Flipkart, whatever, so many things are there, eBay, all those are there. They will allow you to buy certain numbers only. They will not allow you to buy any unlimited numbers. For example, if I want to buy a television set, the Amazon will not allow me to buy 10 pieces of set at one single, you could say, booking. You can buy one or two, maybe it is allowed, but not more than that. Because a particular consumer, a single consumer, generally cannot use 2 television or 10 television sets. We may have requirement, but generally it's not. It is for the shopkeepers. Why do we need 10 number of mouse? We need only 1 or 2 mouse. So for that, we can buy it. So it is allowing the user to buy only limited number of things. Same way we want to allow these kind of limitations here also. How it works? So as said, again, first of all, you have to select the area that we want to apply validation. I'm talking about number. And we will allow the user to enter only 1 to 50 between this. We go to data validation. In data validation, here we have two options, whole number and decimal number. Now again you have to decide that what kind of product you are trying to sell. You are trying to sell a eraser, you are trying to sell a pen or notebook. Now pen, eraser and all this product cannot be purchased in fractions. These products can be purchased only in whole numbers. But suppose you want to buy cement, you want to buy some sugar, you want to buy some different products, there can be 124.25 kg. It can happen. But when here in this type of product, we have only numbers. So we can select whole number. Now it will ask you that what kind of whole number, how you want to validate it. Between a particular number, between 1 to 50. Yes, of course we want. Not between 1 to 50. Means it will allow 0 and it will allow more than 50, but not any number between 1 to 50. Not equal to, greater than, less than. So these are the numbers which is allowed. You can choose anything depending upon your requirement. So in our requirement, we need between option. Here it says minimum number. So minimum, I say one product you can buy. Okay, minimum order 1, or minimum I can say, let's say 5. I will change this number. So I will say minimum I want to allow 5 and maximum someone can buy 50. Okay, minimum 5, maximum 50 I am allowing the user to buy. Make it okay. Okay, so change this heading from 5 to 50. So user can buy only 5 numbers or more than 5 numbers. Okay, but less than 50. So you can select 5, it's allowing you, 7 allow, 2 not allowed. Okay, so this way you can use these options here for validating. So it will not allow any number below 5 and any number after 50. Between between 5 to 50 it is allowing you. So you can easily validate all types of numerical value. Same case if you want some kind of decimal value, okay, decimal values like fraction, okay, you can select, you can go to validation, you can select here, you can choose decimal. Again, greater than, less than, you can say, okay, maybe greater than or between, you can choose it. I'm saying greater than and equal to 100 or let's say 10. Okay, so I can write 12, it's allowing me. I can write 12.2523, it's allowing because it will allow fraction. Here 7.34 will not be allowed because it's not allowing you fractions number, it will allow only whole number. Okay, so this way you can use this fraction number, decimal numbers. Next we will see how we can validate date. Now for the date, example, we have a date here. Now I want date of appointment. Date of appointment. Now date of appointment cannot be yesterday. Date of appointment can be today, can be tomorrow or any date after today. Okay, but not yesterday and the previous date what passed. So how can we check and how can we validate that the user cannot enter previous date when it comes to this type of heading? Now we select the area again, go to data validation, select this option. Here we have again date. Now we can choose the option greater than and equal to today. Instead of writing today's date, you can just simply use formula. If you have to use when you use formula, then it will check, it will validate that okay, today's date is there and tomorrow this today date will convert it to tomorrow. Again, it's the same date. Like that it will check it. Now after that, if you want to enter any date, means future date, let's say I want 1 January 26, okay, and 1 26, it will say okay fine 1 1 26. Okay, it will allow you to enter the dates here. If you want, write suppose 25 December 25, it will allow you. But if you want to enter the date previously, let's say 12 March 25. Now 12 March 25 is gone. So it will not allow you to enter those dates. It will check. Previous date cannot be allowed. Means even 24 December or let's say 12 October or something will not allow you this one. Similar to that, if suppose you have another options like date of receipt, date of billing, you want a date of billing. Options are same, even the formulas are almost same. Little change in the formula, instead of using here we can use date and instead of using greater than, this time we will use less than, because the billing date should be today's date or yesterday date or previous date. Billing date, you cannot create a receipt for future unless and until the amount is paid. So here it will be the same formula equal to today and then okay. So when you try to enter some date, let's say I will write 11 October 25, it will say okay fine today. Okay, if I want to write 10 March as said, let's say 10 June 25, it's okay fine. We can create a list of 10 June 25. It will say okay fine, allow. But if I want to make a list, let's say 1/1/26, then it says no, not allowed, because in future you cannot make a bill for this one. So like that you can use the date appointment, means date validations. Similar to that, we have a time appointment. Now in time also we have two factors of time. Okay, one, you want to write manually and you want to select. Example, if you want to write or if you want to write manually, then you select this option, go to date validation, data validation, and there we have time option. Now if you choose time, it will select you, ask you that what time you want. Let's say I want an entry time, okay, between, not between or something like that. So let's say I'm selecting between time. So what will be the minimum time? I say minimum 7 a.m. in the morning I want, and maximum 8 p.m. it will allow. Between this time I can be able to enter. So if I write 7 a.m. it says okay fine. If I write 7 p.m. also, then also fine. 8 p.m. it's fine. If I would write 6:45 p.m. it will allow you because we are writing it. Okay, so any type of date below, so between 7 to 8 p.m. it will allow. But if I want to write 6 a.m. it will not allow me. Or 8:01 p.m. it will not allow me because we validate till 8 a.m. only. Sometimes we want to select the time. Let's say entry time we want to select. So for this one, again what you have to do, you have to select a source. Example, the source is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. and I want 8 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. Like that we can make a source. So let's say till 8 p.m. Okay, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Now I have selected this source. So we can select the area where you want to apply. Go there to data validation. We have a time option. Now this time, sorry, not time. Yeah, this time we have can select list, not the time. Select the list, and in source you can select this source because you want a drop-down menu of the time. When you select here, when you select a time, let's say 7 a.m. or 8 a.m., it will convert into decimal number, means the serial number. What we can do, simply select Control 1 and choose a proper time format, let's say. Now, whatever time you can select, let's say 8 a.m., 11 a.m., and like that you can be able to enter any time. But the only thing, you cannot able to enter, let's say 10:35 a.m. or whatever. Fraction is not allowed here. Just like the number, whole and fraction, we have whole and fraction. So you can select these options in your work, right? So this is a way you can validate your numbers, whether it is whole or fraction. You can validate your date, previous and future date. You can validate your time also, fraction and whole number of time, right? So I hope you like this session of number, date and time. See you again with some more important functions of data validation. Till then, thank you. Take care.